Greetings, Seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from October 27th to November 2nd. This Monday, October 28th, there will be Hispanic Heritage Month performance practice from 3:35 to 4:30. Also this Monday from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m., there will be a virtual high school application workshop for all 8th grade families. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will also hold High School Spirit Week rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:30. Tuesday, October 29th, we'll have 2 Outstanding Scholar ceremonies. Our 7th and 8th grade Outstanding Scholars will be acknowledged at 9 to 10 a.m. in the theater, and then our 6th and 7th grade will have their assembly directly following at 10:15 to 11:15 a.m. There will also be a Parent Association Executive Board meeting this Tuesday from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Wednesday, October 30th, we'll hold 2 Outstanding Scholar ceremonies for our high school students from 9 to 10 a.m. 11th and 12th grade Outstanding Scholars will be observed. Following at 10:15 to 11:15 a.m., our 9th and 10th grade Outstanding Scholars will be celebrated. Finally, Friday, November 1st, there will be no school in observance of Diwali. So enjoy your 3-day weekend, Scholars. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.